everyone, welcome back to Keto Treat Day. Today I have got a chocolate muffin in a mug. Welcome back, everybody, to the Keto Treat Gal. Coming at you guys with another treat. And this one actually is an invention my brother Rob came up with. Another one my brother came up with. The other day I was just saying to him, I've seen some muffins in the store and I'm like, oh, I'd love a muffin. And can't have that on keto. And he says, really? Let's go home and I'm going to show you how you make a keto muffin. Super, super easy, and you can make it in the microwave. It was an isolated protein, a chocolate protein. It's a very, very low one that he found. I have a picture of it at the end. I'll always have a slideshow for you guys. It's a chocolate isolated protein, and it's only a half of carb. I did 1 scoop of that, 2 eggs, blended it in my magic bullet, and then you just pour it into a mug and into the microwave. My microwave is only a 900 watt. It took like 3 minutes. Yours, if it's stronger, maybe it would only take a minute or 2. And then on the top, he drizzled over sugar-free coffee creamer. Yum. I've already had this, so I already know it's great, but I definitely have to have a bite. And this is like, to me, like a sponge cake. I love it so much. It is so yummy. It really is good. Rob is the inventor of so many keto stuff. But there it is there. And of course, it looks a little bit funny because it's done in a mug. Oh my God. I love it so much. This is so funny how you can come up with just things so simple and so easy, yet be so delicious. Yum. Oh, I love it. I love the texture of it because it's like a sponge cake to me. If you look at it here, I'll kind of squeeze it and show you. It's like a sponge cake. Apologize. Allergies and this weather is always got me clearing my throat. But anyways, look at that. It's like a sponge. You see, that's like a sponge cake. I love it so much. You could do it with any flavor. Isolated protein. You could do a vanilla, cake flavor, chocolate flavor like I've done. I mean, there's so many different flavors that you could do the muffin with, but this one here, he had a chocolate one. So that's the one I'm sharing with you guys. But it is so delicious and so easy. Again, 2 eggs, 1 scoop of the isolated chocolate protein. Mix it in your magic bullet. Put it in the microwave. I did mine on 3 minutes. Like I said, because I have a 900 watt, but most people have a higher wattage. So then you would do it less. Take it out. I cut it in half so I could drizzle over the vanilla creamer. And I used 2 tablespoons of the French vanilla creamer. This whole muffin here is maybe 2 carbs, okay? And it's so filling. The night he had made me one, I couldn't even finish it. It was so filling. But I'm in my 1 meal right now, and it's still within that time frame, so it's like I wanted to have this. So, but, so good. Make your house smell so good. Another thing you could do, because it's so low in carb, you could add a couple strawberries to excuse me, a couple strawberries to it. Maybe a little bit of whipped cream on top would bring it a little higher, 1 or 2 more carbs. But just more to tell you guys to make it even more delicious. So my brother said you can even add a little bit of the stevia package, the one that doesn't have the carbs. I guess there is one that's really fine that doesn't have the carb in it. You could add that to it, the sugar packet, to make it even sweeter, but I think it's already sweet enough for me. But I would love a few strawberries on it, a little bit of whipped cream. So, but anyways, here's another great keto treat idea for you guys, a muffin in a mug. And you know that they make that all the time now, and people are eating them all the time, but of course we can't have those because they're not keto. But you can when you come to my channel and know me and my brother Rob, we're going to always come up with something great for you guys. Super easy and delicious. I love it. Like I said, it's real spongy. I love the texture and I love it. So I'm going to enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely try this out. I love you guys very much. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see all of you in my next video. And always remember to keep it keto.